Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I'm going to be doing a simple lasagna, nothing fancy. Here's your ingredient list. The ground beef and Italian sausages I'm using is just a very small pack, nothing major. I'm going to brown that off and just add in some seasonings to that. And like I said, it's just a small pack. And I left the seasonings in the description. And you can use whatever you like. I didn't have any oregano or anything like that, so, or Italian seasonings. So I used what I had. So after I browned my ground beef and drained it, I went ahead and put in my tomato sauce, my diced tomatoes, which I drained, as well as I put in some tomato paste. Here I'm just adding a little more seasoning into the meat sauce mixture. I like to use tomato paste just to thicken it up a little bit. And I use like a jar and a half of the tomato sauce. I use one, I believe, traditional and one garden. And here is just garlic powder, complete seasoning, salt, pepper, a little Creole seasoning. And even though it's been like over a year or so since I've had red sauce, I just can't do it, guys. It just, older you get, it just don't sit with you. And here I added the tomato sauce. I thought I added it before, but I didn't. But I added some sugar, and you can add as much or as little as you like to cut down on that acidity. So I set my meat sauce to the side, and I was boiling my noodles while I was getting the ricotta cheese mixture set up. And y'all, I'm sorry, I'm from the South. I'm gonna say a lot. It's just a habit. I try not to say it. I just can't. But anyway, here is about 4 big tablespoons of ricotta cheese. I put a little complete seasoning, a little pepper, and I just like to mix it up really, really, really good until it's like really, really smooth. That way I can just like layer it on the noodles whenever I'm like doing the layering process. And you don't have to season your ricotta. That's totally up to you. Sometimes I do add cheese in there, like, mozzarella or something like that, but I wouldn't with all that. So I'm just taking my meat sauce now. I'm just going to line my pan. And y'all, honestly, truthfully, this was supposed to be lasagna roll-ups, but I told it to my daughter and she was like, lasagna roll-ups? So I know that if even though it's the same thing, if it's not in a traditional form, she probably wouldn't have ate it. And listen, your girl was tired. I didn't feel like doing all that. So here I'm just put down my meat sauce, and then I layered it with a layer of noodles, and then I'm taking this ricotta cheese mixture that I seasoned, and I'm just gonna like cover my noodles with it. I know a lot of people don't like ricotta cheese, but you really can't taste it. Here I had like a mixture of Italian cheeses, triple cheese, and some white cheddar. Those are the cheeses that I chose to use this time. And like I said, I make lasagna a lot of different ways. You can make it whichever way you want to. This is just the way that I decided to do it. I was going to actually put onions and peppers and things like that, but the bag was open from Walmart and I wasn't with it, and I wasn't shopping anything today. Not gonna happen. So here I'm just completing the layering process, and you can do as many layers as you want. But I baked it 350 for about an hour and a half, and this is the final results. So I hope that you like this video. Please share it, comment, and subscribe. I know it's been a while, but I may do more videos soon. And that's just the inside. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day. Have a good holiday season. Bye, y'all.